Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make 5 different styles of outdoor lamps with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. For a simple lamp, take a 2x2 lamp post. I'm going to place a transparent clear 1x1 round brick on top, then just a simple 1x1 round flat tile. If you don't have a lamp post, take a 2x2 modified plate with Technic pin. I'm going to take a Technic tube with a slot on one side. I'm going to place this on the Technic pin, and then I'm going to take a friction pin with cross axle. We're going to place that on this end where the cross axle is on top. Then I'm going to take one of these cross axle extenders, place this on top, a 2-stud long cross axle, and another one of these extenders. We're going to place this right on top. And for added decoration, a 3-stud long cross axle with stud. I'm going to take one of these beads with cross axle. I'm going to place these in the cross axle like so. Place that on there. We're going to place 2 of these. We're going to stick this portion inside the extender. And for the lamp, a transparent clear minifigure head and a 2x2 parabola dish. For the next outdoor lamp, take a 2x2 lamp post. We're going to place a 1x1 brick right on top and one of these leaf assemblies where you can attach leaves to a tree. We're going to use this for our lamp post. Set that right inside the round brick, and we're going to take a transparent round brick. We're going to place that right inside the 4 sticks. Then a 3x3 parabola dish. Kind of cleans it up underneath for a nice decorative lamp. For a 2 bulb lamp, take a 2x2 lamp post. I'm going to place a 1x1 brick with 2 opposing studs right on top. For the lights, take a hollow stud and a transparent clear minifigure head. We're going to place the stud on the bottom portion of the minifigure head and a 2x2 parabola dish on top of the minifigure head. And in this area, a little 1x1 tap. We're going to set that right inside the hollow stud. Now we're going to make 2 of these, and we're going to attach them to the 1x1 brick with 2 studs. For a 4 bulb lamp, start with a 2x2 lamp post. Let's take one of these modified 1x1 plates with a stick and a 1x1 hollow stud. I'm going to place it to where the stud portion is facing downwards. And on top of that, a round 1x1 brick. So you want to make sure you have your tubes on both sides. Then I'm going to place this on top of the lamp post. And what this does is reverse our stud to a tube. And for our lamps, take a transparent minifigure head. We're going to place a 2x2 parabola dish right on top. We're going to make 4 of these. I'm going to take one of these 2x2 round plates with 4 sticks. These are used to make trees. I'm going to place a light assembly on each stick. These are going to face downwards. Put our last one here. And we're just going to simply place the bottom portion of our 1x1 brick right in the center. So I'm just going to set that right down in there for a nice decorative 4 bulb lamp.